Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time visiting this channel, click on the subscribe button and smash the notification bell so that whenever I post a new video, you will get notified as soon as possible. So this is volume 8 of the daily Forex update. Alright, the link to the previous episode, that is volume 7, is right at the top right corner of your screen. Just tap on it, and then for educational purposes you might want to watch it too, learn a few things. All right, yes, because I always give you a tip off every time I share the update with you. All right, so it's not just a review and then analysis of the next day, but rather I also sometimes chip in certain things that you need to know as a developing trader. All right, so let's see whatever is going to happen so far as Friday is concerned. All right, but before we delve into the chart, let's look at what is happening on the economic news calendar. So at the moment we are waiting for the JPY inflation rate for the month of June. All right, that is what we are waiting for. So that is the only pending news, so that is the news that is yet to be released so far as Thursday is concerned. So if you look at tomorrow being Friday, tomorrow we have a bank holiday for Belgium. You have GBP retail sales. All right, so all these are retail sales, high impact news for GBP. And then you also have retail sales for Canada, all right, which is also a high impact news. So these are the high impact news on our watch so far as tomorrow is concerned. So just as I always say, if you are trading any related pair concerning these news releases, just be on the watch. All right, so let's delve into the chart and see what is happening. We start with the dollar index as usual. So it's been a bullish week for the dollar index. All right, we had Monday giving us a down day, Tuesday. So the bullish sign started on Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. We had a bullish sign. So just as I informed you, once we are seeing price pushing to the upside, and it should tell you that price was retracing back into this very zone. So going into tomorrow, I want to see a continuation to the upside. All right, I want to see a continuation to the upside. Then the following week we see whatever is going to happen so far as the dollar index is concerned. So as it stands now, I'm still bullish on the dollar index. All right, so that is going to be my expectation so far as tomorrow is concerned on the dollar index. Let's look at what is happening on GBPUSD. So for GBPUSD, we've had price moving to the downside the whole of this week. All right, just as I was expecting. All right, just as I was expecting, GBP played out exactly that. So far as tomorrow is concerned, we might see price continue to push to the downside. All right, you might see price continue to push the downside. We have a breakout block right here. All right, yes, we have a breakout block right here. So it's likely price will finally move to this zone before we see a reversal within the market. All right, so as it stands now, I'm still bearish. All right, that is on a short-term basis. I'm still bearish on GBPUSD. All right, so far as it's a Friday, which is the last day of the week, I wouldn't go in so much aggressively. All right, yes, I wouldn't go in so much aggressively. I'll just look out for a very, very high probability setups. If I'm having two scenarios about a particular market, I'll just leave it. All right, I'll just leave it. So Friday's price action are not really that smooth. All right, because the week is almost ending, and so a lot of things happen in the market. So just don't be so hard on the market so far as tomorrow is concerned. All right, it's the last of the week, and if I were you, I would just even call it a week. All right, I'll just call it a week, because trades on Fridays are a bit rough at times. So you wouldn't want to get yourself into that. So I'll still be looking for bearish prices on GBPUSD so far as tomorrow is concerned. So that's my expectation on GBPUSD. For USDCAD, we are in a trade. All right, yes, the swing trading room is actually in a massive trade on USDCAD, so I can't share whatever is happening USDCAD with you now. All right, but you can watch my subsequent updates. You will get a clue as to what is happening. All right, or if you are smart enough, you've been following my daily forex updates, maybe you are also in that same trade with us, who knows. All right, yeah, but if you are interested in joining the swing trading room, as I always say, check the description box below. The link to my DM, my Telegram ID, or the link to my Telegram inbox is there. Get it, let's have a chat. I'll give you the packages so that you become part of it. All right, don't just watch. All right, don't just watch, because I mean, those on my Telegram community, the free community, are seeing what is happening in the swing trading room. All right, they realize that I pushed, I mean, the progress of the swing trading room, the trades you have been taking, the profits you have been banging, the pips you have been banging, and all that. So don't just watch. All right, DM me and be part of the Clever Young Traders swing trading room. All right, I mean, lots of pips to catch, so just join as soon as possible. Yeah, so let's look at what is happening on GBPJPY. Yeah, so for GBPJPY, as it stands now on the daily time frame, it still looks bullish. All right, it still looks bullish. I will only consider a long-term sell if price violates this low here. All right, if price violates this low and closes below this low, then definitely I'll be looking for long-term sales so far as GBPUSD is concerned. But as it stands now, price is still looking bullish on a higher time frame. But let's switch to the 1 hour and see what is happening the 1 hour. All right, but the 1 hour is kind of bearish. All right, yes, the whole week we've seen a bearish price action on GBPJPY. We've seen a huge bearish price action on GBPJPY. So as it stands now, I wouldn't be surprised if going into tomorrow we take out Thursday's low. All right, price takes out Thursday's low. All right, yeah, so it's likely I'll be looking for sales, but it's going to be short term. All right, my targets are going to be very, very short, because on a daily we are still seeing a bullish environment on the daily time frame. Unless we take out this low, that is when I'll look forward to see price moving to the downside first of all, which my first target is going to be here. Then we see whatever is going to happen. But as it stands now on the higher time frame, which is the daily time frame, price is still looking bullish. But if you should switch to the lower time frame, we are seeing some bearish order flow. All right, so of which if I'm to take a trade, it's going to be short term. All right, so if I'm to take a trade that is tomorrow for a sell, I'll just target Thursday's low, and then I'll be out. All right, I'll be out of the market. I will not do anything. So that is just that for GBPJPY. All right, so that is that for the daily forex update. We are going into Friday. We are ending the week. How was your week? How did the week go for you? Were you profitable or not? All right, I mean, this week has been okay. All right, this week has been okay for me and the swing trading room. All right, we've catched a lot of pips, and I mean, we've lost some pips too. So it has been a cool week for us. All right, I mean, the third week of the month of July. I mean, it's okay to have an average week. So what about you? If you had losses, I mean, you need to check yourself very well. All right, yeah. So if you haven't subscribed to this channel, just click on the subscribe button and then smash the notification bell, so that whenever I post a new video, you will get notified as soon as possible. So far as this week is concerned, this is going to be my last video for the week. All right, I'm not gonna bring you Friday's update. All right, yes, I'm not going to bring you that is Friday market close update. No, this is going to be my last forex update so far as this week is concerned. My next video is going to be the weekly market outlook. All right, we look at what is going to happen the following week. All right, so I'll give you an expectation of the whole of the following week. What am I expecting to see on the market within the various pairs that I'll be analyzing? All right, yeah. So that is just that. I wish you all good luck and good trade. Enjoy your weekend. Peace.